Hello dears, how are you today? Hope you're doing great. Okay, so today's lesson is very interesting. It's one of my favorites. Do you know why? Because it's about animals and plants that live around us. You can see those animals and plants every time you go to the park. Are you ready? Okay. Now, what do we see here? I see some fish in the ocean, right? I see a dolphin, a whale, a crab, and I see some animals and birds in the jungle. I see a monkey, and I see a parrot, and I see an iguana. Hmm. And I also see some animals in the safari, like the giraffe and the zebra. And I see an elephant and a lion. And I also see some animals in the forest, like a bear, an owl. Hello, Mr. Rabbit. And this is a quail and a fox. Animals live in different places. Different places have different animals, plants, insects, or fishes. A habitat is where animals or plants or insects or fish or birds live, where they eat, where they have a home. That's a habitat. Okay, do you want to know a secret? Do you know that there are saltwater fish and a freshwater fish, like the fish that live in the river? That was new for you, right? Okay. Now, in here, we have freshwater fish and seawater fish. The freshwater fish is for the fish that live in fresh water, not salty water, like lakes and rivers. Okay? And live the seawater fish live in seawater, like seas and oceans. Excellent. Okay. Do you see the difference between both of them? I see. The seawater fish are brighter and bigger in size. Okay? But both are very yummy and fish is very healthy. Okay? Okay. And as we said, there is difference between fishes that live in salt water or seawater and fresh water, which is the rivers and lakes. Do we have a river in Egypt? We do. It's the Nile River. And in a while, you will know a very famous fish that lives there. Okay, so let's play hide and seek. Where are those kids? Those kids are in the park, right? Okay, in a while, we will see what kind of animals and insects and birds live in this park. But let's play with them. I have in, on, under, and behind. You see this girl with brown hair? She's hiding. Where? Excellent! Behind the bushes. Exactly. The girl number 2 is the seeker. What are they playing? Yes, they're playing hide and seek. So, she's the seeker. She is looking for her friend who's hiding behind the bushes. This boy is on the slide. Excellent, excellent. What's happening in number 4? The cats. Where are the cats? The cats are excellent in the basket. Number 5. Where is the other boy? The boy who is wearing a yellow t-shirt, blue shorts, and a cap. This boy, he is exactly under the slide. Excellent job. Okay, now the kids went home. The park is empty. Let's look at the park. Animals in the park. Where do animals live? This is a picture of the park when it's empty. What do we see? I see water, and I think it's a lake or a river. I see grass. I see a tree, and I see sky. Okay, so show me what animals are here. Okay. Fish! I see some fishes. Now, fish. Let's remember fish that are not very bright in color, yet they're so cute. So this is a freshwater. These are freshwater fish. Excellent. Who would be living in the grass? Guess, guess, guess. I think insects. Insects would be living in the grass. Exactly. Who else would be there? It's an animal that actually has a very familiar sound. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. I'm talking about the frog. Yes. Hello, Mr. Frog. And then I see something moving on the tree. It's the chameleon. Hello, Mr. Chameleon. I hear a sound. Who's coming so fast? They are the birds. Okay, so right now, I need you please to go and open page 93. You will find pictures for fish and an insect and a frog and a duck and a chameleon and a bird. We'll talk about them. Okay, so here's the park again. Who's this? This is a tilapia fish. A tilapia fish is a fish that lives in fresh water. It's a very famous fish. And a duck. Quack, quack. Hello, Mr. Duck. Quack, quack, quack. And it's a frog. Who else is there? I see something moving. It's a ladybug. A ladybug. I love ladybugs. Then the chameleon. The chameleon has the same color of the leaves. It's green. So it hides itself very well. So clever, chameleon. Something's coming very fast. Swift. Do you know that the swift is one of the fastest birds on Earth? It's actually one of the fastest creatures on Earth. Have fun cutting and pasting the animals, not plants, the animals, insects, and birds in your book. Okay, now let's all open our activity book. Animals in the park, do we remember? Do you remember the 6 animals we were talking about? Okay, so what we need to do is to find and write. So number 1 picture was for the swift. Excellent. Number 2, I know you. You are frog. Let's find the word frog. Frog. Yes. Number 3, I know you. You're the cute insect that everybody likes. And you come in different colors. I learned that. So, ladybug. I'm looking for a I found it! Did you find it? Ladybug. Ladybug. Number 4 is A. The master of disguise is Mr. Chameleon. Chameleon. Where is the word chameleon? Ah, there you are. Chameleon. And number 5 is a quack quack. I know you. Hello, Mr. Duck. Chameleon. Last but not least, our famous freshwater fish is tilapia. Okay. Hope you learned about the environment we live in, what are habitats, what are the kind of animals, plants, and insects and birds that we can find. Search for them. Don't forget, the world is your school. You can learn each and every day. Have fun. Be safe. Thank you for listening.